Most people think weight loss is all about calories, but what if the real secret has nothing to do with what you eat, and everything to do with when you eat? Today, I'm breaking down the powerful science behind intermittent fasting, the simple eating pattern that switches your body from storing fat to burning it. And trust me, once you understand how these hormones work, you'll never look at meals the same way again. What intermittent fasting really is. Intermittent fasting is not a diet. It doesn't tell you what to eat, it only changes when you eat and when you don't. It's a simple pattern of eating and resting from food. No calorie counting. No complicated rules. Just timing. And this timing triggers powerful hormonal changes inside your body. Why IF is a weight loss powerhouse, hormone science. The real reason intermittent fasting works is simple. It changes two of the most important hormones in your body, growth hormone and insulin. Growth hormone is your strongest fat-burning and anti-aging hormone. Insulin, on the other hand, is the hormone that stores fat. And here's the truth, when insulin is high, you cannot lose weight. Not even with hard workouts. Not even with low-calorie diets. Understanding insulin resistance, simple explanation. When you eat too often, insulin rises again and again. Eventually, your cells stop responding. Your pancreas doesn't get the message, so it pumps even more insulin, 5 to 7 times more than you need. Now you have high insulin in your bloodstream but low energy inside your cells. This is what we call insulin resistance, the doorway to prediabetes, stubborn belly fat, and fatigue. Step 1 of IF, from 5 to 6 meals a day, 3 meals, no snacks. The first level of intermittent fasting is simple, eat 3 meals a day and remove snacks. Every time you eat, insulin spikes, even if it's a healthy snack. To move from meal to meal without hunger, you simply increase healthy fats in your meals. Step 1 of IF, from 5 to 6 meals a day, 3 meals, no snacks. The first level of intermittent fasting is simple, eat 3 meals a day and remove snacks. Every time you eat, insulin spikes, even if it's a healthy snack. To move from meal to meal without hunger, you simply increase healthy fats in your meals. Level 2 IF, the 16:8 method. Once 3 meals feel easy, you can shift to the 16:8 pattern, 16 hours fasting, 8 hours eating. This amplifies fat burning, especially during nighttime and morning hours. Example, if you wake up at 6 a.m., wait until 10 a.m. for your first meal. Your last meal should then be around 6 p.m. Level 3 IF, 20-hour fat burning window, advanced. If you want even deeper fat burning, the 20:4 pattern is powerful, 20 hours fasting and a 4-hour eating window. This can dramatically shrink your waistline. Example, eat at 1 p.m. and again at 5 p.m. Add high-intensity interval training on fasting days, and results can be even faster. Shifting through these levels takes time. Moving from snacks to 3 meals may take 3 weeks. Moving to 16:8 may take a month or 2. And reaching 20:4 can take even longer, especially if your metabolism has been damaged by dieting, stress, or extreme calorie restriction. Go slowly. Let your body adapt. If today's breakdown helped you finally understand intermittent fasting, how it works, why it works, and how to start, make sure you support this channel. Your likes, comments, and stories truly help others find this information. And if you've had success with fasting or improving your health, share it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, because we release new science-based health videos every week.